Kurumirira Mutino uria urahanikire mwena wa Hells Gate mwena wa Naivasha na kuria andu 7 makuire muthia-ini wa kiumia thutha wa kuhofanirio ni maai magendete mwena ucio. Riu minista wa ugendi Najib Balala augite ati kuri na bata munene wa kuheana githomo kiiganu kuri aria mateithagiriria agendi.
We need to have the tour guides be retrained so that they can understand when there is a disaster and where there's a crisis happening as well. And also during this season, which is raining, what teams of KWS will be at hand if whatever has happened or whatever can happen can be minimized.
Balala augite ati gukorwo gutiakoretwo na mbura kwa ihinda riraya mwena wa Naivasha, aramati a mugunda wa nyamu wa Hells Gate matiari na umenyo ati kuri kundu kuri na mbura iria yacungiriirie muiyuro wa maai mwena ucio.
Instructions to the Director General that we need a clear strategy to appreciate, because this is the second incident has happened. The first incident happened in 2012 and now this is the second incident. So we need to appreciate what is the weather forecast before we can allow people to go into Hells Gate, particularly during the rainy season.
Mutino uyu ukite miaka 7 tu thutha wa andu angi 7 kuma kanitha-ini wa PCEA Dagoreti kuhofanirio ni mutino ta uyu kuria othe makuire. Kwa ihinda riri runyanjara ruru ni ruhingitwo kwa ihinda ritoikaine.
We finally do the opening. The team will assess the situation at Hells Gate. Then they will tell us when the national park will be opened again for the public.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV matura-ini ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.